Okay, we'll give you, this is actually a little early for a Friday night report, but this is one project we've been working on this week. The angle plate that we were talking about. We got the slots cut in the base of it and welded onto the big piece. That's 11 by 24 inches, and this is going to be the gussets here, and 5/8 plate to make her really good and rigid. And we got it all figured out. We ended up taking 1/2 inch off of this side, and she should fit in there with what we want to mount on it. So then we did a straw walker table repair for a farmer this week, and redid a bushing and stuff on a hitch for the mower machines that mow the ditches around here. So we'll show you a couple of other things that we mentioned last week. We finally got the parts in, so we got them going. We got this Ford sitting here. It's got fuel pumps aren't running, so we got it figured out. We got no ground on the control side of the fuel pump relay. We got power, but we got no ground. When we jumper the relay connections, we still don't have any fuel pressure. So there's more than one problem with that, but we're working away on it. It's raining this afternoon, of course, just because it can. This is the Toyota that would run, but it wouldn't start. So we suspected something, and when we finally got the part in, we gotta go get the key. I'll show you the part that we had to put on here if I can find the hood release. So this has got the same idea as Ford had in the 80s and early 90s. They used a coolant temperature sensor to set the mixture for startup. And on this one, it's this sensor right here. Now that sensor was broke off when he brought it here, and they didn't think that was anything serious. The car, after more discussion with the customer, come to find out the car hasn't run in several years, having this kind of problem. So anyways, I told him, well, we got to fix the obvious stuff before we start looking for the exotics. So we had to order a sensor in, got it in, put it in, turn the key, and away she goes. I would show you, but you'll have to take my word for it because I don't want to go in and get the key right now. So another mystery solved. People are like, how does a temperature sensor keep a vehicle from starting? Well, right there. That's how it does it. Screws up the startup mixture. Once it's running, then it's running off the oxygen sensors and other stuff, so it'll take care of itself. Now, here's one that just got dropped off by a tow truck. It's a 2002 Chevy Cruze, I think it is. Take a listen. And the belts are turning. So, any guesses on what the problem is there? I'm pretty sure I got her figured, but we'll update you on the next video. It's a little Ecotech, I don't know, 2.2 or 2.4. 2.4, I think, what the computer said. Start with, we didn't have any diagnostic power, so we had to find the cigarette lighter fuse and change that, which powers up our diagnostic connector. So anyways, that's the solved mystery, and a new mystery for this week, and the continuing mystery of the, what is that thing, a 90 something Ford anyways, with no fuel pump action. So we'll just gonna be a short video here. It's raining, so figured make a little video and then move some stuff inside so I don't have to work out in the rain. And that'll be that, I guess, for this week. We'll make another one next week if we remember.